Safe, no heat, no bulb to break or replace. Efficient, uses less than 5 cents of energy per year. Convenient, small and lightweight, packs easily for travel. Lifetime guarantee, backed by Minder Research, Inc. Winner of over 10 customer service awards. American customer support by phone, email and chat. The NightMinder GL Night Light provides a premium electroluminescent nightlight. As it uses L technology, there is no heat and no bulb to be broken. With its soothing green light, the NightMinder GL Night Light provides a calming way to lighten up the dark. It will also not block the second wall outlet. At less than 5 cents a year for energy cost, this night light is extremely energy friendly. Each NightMinder GL Night Light is backed with a lifetime guarantee by Minder Research, Inc. Top reviews from the United States. Not too bright. I have had something very similar, they were 25 plus YRS old and were getting too dim. I found these and was hoping they were like the ones I needed to replace. They were. Very pleased with them, they fit flush against the outlet plate. They are more like a glow instead of a light, which I like. I placed it in a bathroom which is in the bedroom. The glow is not too bright to interfere with sleeping, while enough to see when getting up to go into the bathroom.